All right, today I'm going to show you how to add liquid laundry detergent to a washing machine to wash clothes. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is add your clothes to the washing machine. You see that right there? So add clothes to the washing machine. Now, I have a front-loading washing machine, so I'm going to add it to the compartment drawer. Now, if you have a top-loading washing machine, you'll want to add it directly to the drum before you add the clothes. Right here, I've Tide Ultra Oxy, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and look at the back. You always want to look at the back to see what the instructions are on the particular detergent. So speaking, you should look on the side of it, and it shows you, it says 1, 2, 3. I don't know if you can see that, but if you have a small load, you want to only use a little bit of the detergent in the cap. And if you have a large, you want to use a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up the cap. And as you can see that I have only a little bit of clothing inside of there. So I'm only going to probably fill it up to if you look right here, getting closer, you see right there, it says 1, 2, and 3 right there, and 4. So I'm going to fill it up probably to the 1 or in between the 1 and 2. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and I'm going to go ahead and fill up my detergent cup, probably up to the 1, maybe to the 2, not to the 3 or 4. Sound like a rapper. All right, so what I'm going to do is I fill that up. Next, because this is a front loading, I'm going to go ahead and shut the door right there. And with this, there's a compartment, and it shows you right here where to load the detergent. Right here it says liquid only. All right, so it says liquid only. That's where I'll add the detergent. It says detergent right there. Let me zoom in so you can see that. See that? It says detergent, liquid only right here. These are compartments for the fabric softener right here, and then there's one for the bleach. Now I'm only adding detergent because these are color clothes. So I'm going to go ahead and take this, and I'm going to add this to the container right here for the detergent. All right, so I added the detergent. Now for a larger load, I'd probably fill this measuring cup up probably close to the top right there. All right, so once I fill it in there, I'm gonna go ahead and shut this. And after I shut this, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my washing machine. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my settings. All right, I go ahead, normal. And then I'm actually gonna do extra rinse on this right here. I'm gonna do hot because of the type of clothing that it is. It's gym clothes. And I'm gonna start. And that's how you add liquid laundry detergent to a washing machine. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.